Okay, team. First of all, thank you that we came here and enjoying our outing. But we are now actually not working, enjoying. So I just wanted to ask few questions. What made you to go for outing first of all?
So, in my opinion, it was a much needed break. And since we work 24/7, and it's a very stressful job, and being apart geographically, so this was a much needed kind of vacation for us to so that everyone integrates, and in person there's a different kind of connect that we get to experience with each other, and eventually it's going to help us for team bonding, and it's a stress buster, to be honest here, and we are having a great time.
Good. But since actually you are here and so technically if you are here actually how you are managing the coverage and who is helping you so that the business should not be impacted.
For this, I think a great thanks to the US counterparts, because they've made sure that they have. I mean, they do a sufficient coverage for us so that we can enjoy ourselves here. So a big thanks to Terry and Rob and Srinivas. Thank you so much for covering in our absence here, and because of your this trip is possible. So once again, a big thanks to you all.
Good. So when you decided for outing, so what are the situations or the challenges that you felt that may come across and how you overcame on it?
So one of the main challenges was to get everyone together since we were in different geographical locations. So we coordinated with each other. That shows that we all are bonding and we have a team spirit. So we were able to get everyone together, and then we coordinated in such a way that everyone was made aware what and how they have to come, and then how it is all possible. So big thanks to everyone, since we all were able to coordinate and make this trip possible. And special thanks to Madhur, Mantavya and Ashwini, because they traveled from a different geographical location.
And why did you select this location, Lonavala?
To be honest, the location we selected was based on the climate. So in Pune, this is the most happening place where the climate is not very hot and not very cold. So it is a very pleasant climate, and that is why. And it was close to everyone near Pune, and then even from people coming outside, they were able to. This is a good, I would say, place for.
It was convenient for everyone and a great place to be together. Right. So that's the reason we chose this place.
And we had a lot of meeting about organizing and planning. How you assign the responsibility that who can take the ownership of this particular task. So how you decided that how it should go to one.
So actually, we were coordinating continuously with each other using our WhatsApp group. And apart from that, I would say I want to say special thanks to Subhash, because he was the one who was getting together all of us so that we can plan our things, and we can make this trip very convenient and easy for all of us.
Yeah, and one of the things that was excellent about Subhasha is that he covered the entire finance ring. Like we didn't have to worry. In fact, it was us who just decided the location, and the finance was left up to Subhasha. So it was a great relief, to be honest, because as you know, finance is important in everything. So thank you, Subhasha, for making this happen.
Okay, thank you. So when it comes to finance, basically, do you want to say anything to Jay, because ultimately he's the one actually he decided to sponsor this trip, and he felt that Tech Team is really working hard. So do you want to say anything or any message to particular to Jeff?
So initially, we were unaware of the fact that this trip would be eventually sponsored by Jeff. But Jeff you're a truly rock star, and thank you. It's a great gesture for all of us, and we are truly enjoying ourselves because of you. So a really big thanks from all of us, from all of us, and this trip is definitely going to be a memorable one for all of us.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you
Thank you.
so much.
So again, my next question is, so we have a lot of tenured resources, but this is being observed that people who recently joined, right, maybe like last month or just in last 2 months basically, or you can say actually yesterday as well, how you made them to come to outing?
It was good to see that everyone was enthusiastic and eager to meet, the whole team and get to know everyone in person, so that it helps them when they work, and they will understand more about how a person is, and then it will
Yep.
make it easy for them to work and coordinate with each other. So yeah, it was really, I would say, the initiative was taken by the new people itself. The majorly it is more about their willingness to join us more than anything. So
Yeah.
a big thank you to all the new team members for
Thank you.
So next question, when it comes to logistics, food, memorable moments, so what do you think which is most important thing that you felt during the outing?
I think we all were able to manage everything, and there were no tantrums, I would say, that anyone should throw through. But it was, everyone was very helpful, coordinative, and then everyone were thoughtful of what all we have to do and how we have to get together and come to this place. So I think that really helped.
Yeah, and I think it's a team effort, that made this possible.
Okay. So again, same question on the similar line. So I'll go to Poonam. Okay, Poonam, if you ask me, if I ask you, what is that within a one word that you can describe our outing or 2 days actually travel to till actually we're enjoying so far?
So I would say one word is exactly what should be planned. This is exactly how we plan the trip, and this is fantastic and fabulous. So I just joined yesterday, and I'm not even feeling that I joined yesterday. I felt that I knew everyone, and that makes me feel very comfortable with everyone. And thank you, Jeff. Because of you, this thing happened. Thank you so much.
And again, I have seen you got lot of actually snacks and everything. Why you actually got so many stuff for us? So this question particularly for Ashwini, I have seen actually she has got lot of things for us.
Oh my god, and the stock is so much that it's not going to finish in 2 days' time.
Yeah.
So, Ashwini, thank
I
you.
wanted everyone to enjoy sweets from from the land I come from, Gujarat. So sweets and all the snacks and everything. So that I think food is one thing where everyone connects on. So it's very easy to connect with people. So one thing I try to bring is food. So when we connect on food, it's easier to talk and communicate with each other. So that was my plan.
Since we are here actually, so do you have any plan to visit some of the places around as well
Yes.
We are on track tomorrow.
in the morning?
Yes, in the morning.
Wow, great. And I have also seen actually Kunal got lot of sports, kits as well, cricket kit, volleyball, badminton. So where is Kunal? Kunal, what made you to actually bring so many actually sports, like a cricket material or not material exactly, but you can say cricket kit, accessories. Kunal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So what felt you to have lot of actually sports accessories with you? So what was your actually main motto behind it?
So yeah, sports is my favorite part in the activity. So I want everyone to enjoy it the most. So I plan to brought everything.
Good. So again, my next question is to the people who recently joined. So if I ask this question to Utkarsha, so Utkarsha, how do you feel basically actually during this outing?
Yeah, I'm doing great now, and I'm enjoying every moment here. And this is my experience.
Good, good. How about somebody?
Yeah, it
also enjoying a lot.
So Amarja, you are here basically. So who is going to take care of your cube of activity now?
So yeah, we have Srini from our team from the US side. So yeah, Srini is taking care of the keyboards and as well as we have a station. So Srini is taking care of that. Thank you so much, Srini, for supporting us so we can enjoy this trip. And thank you so much, Jeff, for this. And yeah, this is really grateful that we all team members are here so we can enjoy this trip. And yeah, this was nice.
Thank you, Jeff.
And again, my last question actually, I heard that JP is coming in the month of September. So do you have any plan for JP once he visit to India?
I want him right in the pool.
Wow.
We all
Jeff, be
will
prepared.
come to
Yeah,
meet
we
you,
want you in
Jeff.
the pool with us.
Be prepared, if you come to Gujarat, you have to go for Garba.
Right. Yeah.
That is in the month of September, right?
That is in the
September.
month of September.
JP, thank you so much actually. Thanks for sponsoring this trip. We really actually thankful to you. And again, thanks for actually always appreciating Tech Team. JP, you are the rock star.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You're a true rock star. Thanks.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू मधुरी ब्लॉग्स। आज हम सब ऑफिस आउटिंग के लिए आए हुए हैं लोनावाला में। आप सबको देख सकते हो, मेरे कलीग्स यहाँ पे भी हैं और हम सब यहाँ पे भी हैं। फोटो सेशन जो है हमारा यहाँ पे चल रहा है और हम बहुत ही इंजॉय कर रहे हैं। काम भी करते जा रहे हैं, काम के साथ साथ इंजॉयमेंट भी हो रहा है। तो अभी हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं कि फटाफट पूल में मस्ती करेंगे, जाके स्नैक्स लेने वाले हैं और उसके बाद डिसाइड करेंगे कि अब हमें आगे क्या करना है। तो देखते रहिए। तो अभी देखो, ऐसा है कि हम लोग सारे इकट्ठे हो गए हैं। बहुत सारी फोटोज अभी हम लोगों ने क्लिक की हैं। अभी मैं आपको विला का टूर करवाने वाला हूँ। सबसे मैं आपको मिलवाऊंगा, एक एक इंट्रोडक्शन करवाऊंगा। सारे मेरे कलीग हैं, बहुत ही बढ़िया है। हम सब आपको देख के ही लगेगा कि हाँ हमारा ग्रुप है। तो टीम से हम अपनी बातचीत जो है चालू करते हैं। आप हमारे सर हैं, सुभाष सर। सर, कुछ कहना चाहते हैं आप?
हाँ, बहुत दिन से प्लानिंग चल रहा था कि हम लोग एक जगह पे आके मिले, बिकॉज ये सब लोग हम लोग रिमोटली काम करते हैं लेकिन एक दूसरे के साथ बात नहीं किया, कभी खाली फ़ोन पे बात करते, एक्चुअली फिजिकली मिले नहीं। तो ऐसा डिसाइड किया कि एक्चुअली लोनावला में जाते। अभी कुछ फ्रेंड लोग एमपी से आए, गुजरात से आए, ट्रैवल किया, इतनी दूर से आए एंड द मोटो वाज जस्ट टू मीट एक्चुअली इच अदर। तो हम लोग 2 दिन के लिए यहाँ पे आए हैं। बहुत सही एक्चुअली लोकेशन है, फ्रेंड्स बहुत एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, अच्छा लग रहा है। बेसिकली एनवायरनमेंट काफ़ी बढ़िया है और आई मस्ट बी थैंकफुल टू विराट फॉर हिज एक्चुअली द ब्यूटीफुल लोकेशन। इट इज़ वन ऑफ द ऑसम प्लेस। सो थैंक यू मधुर भाई।
अनिश भाई,
This place is awesome.
ऑसम।
हेलो।
और किसी को कुछ कहना है? कैसा लग रहा है सबको?
मस्त लग रहा है। पकोड़े भी खा लिए।
अच्छा, चाय वगैरह सब हो गई? चलो बढ़िया। ओके बॉयज ग्रुप, कैसा लग रहा है? तो गाइस, इस वक्त हम लोग एमीथेस्ट विला में हैं जो कि लोनावाला के पास में है। आप देख सकते हैं उस तरफ पूरी माउंटेन रेंज है और ये जो है ना हमारा विला है, आप देख सकते हो। ठीक है, यहाँ पे मतलब टोटल 6 रूम्स हैं और काफ़ी बढ़िया एरिया है। ये जो केयर टेकर हैं यहाँ पे रहते हैं। यहाँ पे भैया हैं जो केयर टेकर हैं। भैया, आपका नाम? दत्ता जी हैं और इन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा हम लोगों का नाश्ता भी कराया हुआ है। सारा कुछ ध्यान ही हमारा रख रहे हैं। और चलिए मैं आगे आपको दिखाता हूँ। ये आप देख सकते हो पीछे पूरा गार्डन एरिया है। ठीक है, और यहाँ से अगर मैं जाऊं, ये बढ़िया ग्राउंड है चिल करने के लिए। पूरा फुल ऑन ग्रीनरी का जो है ध्यान रखा गया है। ये देखो, ये देखो, यहाँ से भी बहुत ही बढ़िया व्यूज है गाइस। पीछे का जो व्यू है ना वो बहुत ही औसम है। ये जो है ना हमारा एंट्रेंस गेट है। अंदर का मैं अभी आपको इसके बाद दिखाने वाला हूँ। ठीक है, और आप ये देख सकते हैं एमीथेस्ट विला है। ठीक है, अब मैं आपको अंदर पूल का व्यू दिखाता हूँ। तो बढ़िया पूल में जो है मस्ती चल रही है। और ये जो एरिया ना, ये मतलब चाय कॉफी नाश्ता वगैरह अगर आपको लेना है तो शाम को या सुबह आप लोग यहाँ बैठ करके चाय नाश्ता वगैरह ले सकते हो। पीछे भी जो है वो गार्डन एरिया दिया हुआ है। इसके साथ आप अगर देखो तो यहाँ से जो है किचन एरिया है और यहाँ से आप अंदर भी जा सकते हो, ठीक है। और पीछे देखोगे तो सब आपको पहाड़ जो है दिखेंगे। I am also planning to go inside the pool, but the water is little bit cold. Let's see how I can manage.
ये देखिए लाइटिंग के साथ लाइट इफेक्ट प्लस ये देखिए हमारी अमरजा भी शूट कर रही हैं, पूनम भी शूट कर रही हैं, सब ऑन कैमरा ड्यूटी है। ये लोग मस्ती कर रहे हैं, पासिंग में पास खेल रहे। देखो कौन सी टीम जीतती है, क्या होता है। आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? पानी में डर तो नहीं लग रहा? डर तो नहीं लग रहा? चलो एंजॉय।
Faster than ever, hungry and I'm going to come back and take what is mine, bigger and better. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. Some things are different, but nothing has changed. Still got my number, still got my name. Tell everybody I'm back in the game. This is happening.
आप किलो कहाँ डाल आउट हो गया ना, आउट हो गया आउट। मैगी रेडी है। अरे ऐसा ऐसा कैच नहीं देंगे तो हम भी आउट होगा। वही तो है मतलब मैगी रेडी है, आ जाओ। ओए मैगी रेडी है, खाना है किसी को? अरे वो
safe travel, take care, bye madam, Burji. जय माता जी, गणपति बप्पा मोरया।